How do you migrate from MPLS to SD-WAN? Migrating from MPLS to SD-WAN requires careful planning and execution to avoid disruptions and ensure optimal performance. Before we get into the details of the migration process, let's start with some background information. Organizations switch from MPLS to SD-WAN because SD-WAN offers greater flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. MPLS has served businesses well for years, but its limitations, especially when it comes to cloud connectivity and decentralized networks, can no longer meet modern demands. SD-WAN enables businesses to route traffic dynamically based on the most efficient paths, which MPLS cannot easily do. It reduces the need for expensive infrastructure and scales more easily. There are three main approaches to migrating from MPLS to SD-WAN. Augmentation involves running MPLS and SD-WAN side by side. A rip and replace migration is exactly what it sounds like. Organizations completely replace their MPLS circuits with SD-WAN technology. A phased migration allows businesses to gradually migrate their remote sites or locations to SD-WAN. Deciding whether to use a managed service provider, MSP, depends on your organization's resources. MSPs can simplify the migration process by handling technical configurations and management, but they can introduce some dependencies. Weigh the pros and cons carefully to determine the best path forward for your migration. Common migration challenges include hardware compatibility issues, bandwidth variability, security considerations, deployment complexity, network policy configuration, skill gaps in network teams, and monitoring and visibility. For organizations looking for a middle ground between MPLS and SD-WAN, hybrid SD-WAN can be a worthwhile option, where MPLS is retained for high-priority applications, while SD-WAN manages less critical traffic, optimizing cost and performance. If you're planning an MPLS to SD-WAN migration, it's worth considering SASE. For organizations that want a future-proof solution, are managing decentralized workforces, and/or are cloud-first, SASE could definitely be a better long-term option. A successful MPLS to SD-WAN migration follows 7 key steps. 1. Assess your current network needs. 2. Establish a performance baseline. 3. Choose the right SD-WAN provider. 4. Create a detailed migration plan. 5. Execute the migration carefully. 6. Test and monitor post-migration. 7. Continuously monitor and optimize. In closing, SD-WAN provides a scalable, flexible, and future-proof alternative to MPLS. Whether you're migrating incrementally or adopting SD-WAN all at once, planning and execution are critical to ensuring a smooth transition.